Chairman McKay, members of the board, my name is Mike Schultz. My video testimony is against the following estimates of revenues, expenditures, transfers, and surpluses as contained in the fiscal year 2022 advertised budget plan and proposed tax rate increases. Since the county proposal will raise the real estate taxes an average of 4.3% on homeowners with this budget, and according to the fiscal year 22 advertised budget plan, real estate taxes fund approximately 68% of all the county's proposed revenue and receipts. I want to know, where did all the budgeted O&M funds from 2020's budget cycle for county schools, buildings, operations, and such go? Because last time I checked, our county was in pretty much total lockdown during the majority of 2020. Fairfax County, obviously, over the past year has not had to pay nearly as many expenses in 2020 that they did in 2019 and previous years because so many government buildings were curtailed, buildings shuttered, schools closed during the COVID-19. So, for example, where's the money that was budgeted for? Number one, diesel and gasoline fuel for county vehicles and school buses. I know my gas bills went down substantially because I'm forced to work at home. So where's this money? Number two, school bus, county vehicle maintenance costs. If there's reduced miles traveled, obviously there's much less oil change and maintenance required. Number three, county school lunch costs. Where do these budgeted funds go if no kids were attending school for the majority of the past 12 months? Number four, school and county building utilities, electricity, heating, water, cooling, sewer, trash, hazardous waste disposal. Where do these go? The county should consider implementing increasing costs of food items as a potential revenue increasement for concessions at county parks or buildings through a temporary surcharge fee not to exceed 1 year. Also consider increasing usage fees at county parks for non-residents. Do not raise for county residents for a year or less to make up for lost income. County should also consider a half or up to 1% pay cut for all county employees, because if the teachers and many county government employees, for that matter, refused to return to school or work over the past year, while private school teachers, for example, where my children attend, returned readily and had 0 cases of COVID-19, if these teachers were not physically in the schools or buildings over the past year, then why can't Fairfax County do the same thing that they, through the Board of Health, forced upon every church, business, charity, or other private organization? That is, reduce costs, take more drastic measures, for example, lay off staff or curtail their operations. The average teacher salary in Northern Virginia is about $78,000 a year. If the salary was reduced by only 1%, this would still average out to be $77,220 years in salary, a reduction of only $780. However, if this is applied across the board in Fairfax County, all 13,000 teachers with a minimum salary estimated at least $50,000, a 1% pay cut could represent a cost savings of $6.5 million revenue. Now, you want to know how to open up the county and fulfill the tax coffers? Open it back up. Let the businesses fully open and operate again. What is the delay? If the schools can safely return in this fall, so should the county.